Okay, here we are at the pool. So it's not so full because it's the evening, but there's a hot tub up there. This is the splash pool, and the kids' splash pad is right there. But the adults use that too. LOL. But anyway, up here you can see a little different angle of it. There you can see. Just slow down a little bit. Let me zoom in. Nice pool there. Yep, and up top, there's a gate that goes up to this one. This is the hickory pool. This is just a big square, or rectangular pool rather. And there's like a cabana. Bathrooms are available at the beach, and at the cabana for the pool. And I'll show you right where we go back over the bridge we came over before to go back to the house. Take us right there. It's just a couple minutes away. So at least nobody's in front of me, so I can tear it up a little bit, even though it's supposed to really go more than 10 miles an hour, but you know, it's clear, it's clear. Okay, so back over the bridge, then show you back to the house. Visitors. July's a busy month. And here we are pulling up at the house. I'll take you for a walk around the backyard so you can see. Back there real quick. Right. Lovely. Okay, so this is, the sun is already setting down there. You can see some of it through the trees there. A lot of vertebrates, a lot of turtles. And all these go on by themselves and shut off by themselves, so it's nice. Okay, see you in a couple weeks.